Welcome to the Canadian School of Natural Nutrition's Healthy Eating and Lifestyle Certificate Workshops. My name is Nair, and today I will be sharing with you a little sneak peek of what this incredible 10-week workshop series is all about. Our mind and stress response can affect our overall state of health. In the Healthy Eating and Lifestyle Certificate Workshops, we will examine and understand the different stress reduction techniques to get us out of our fight or flight mindset and into our rest and digest state. Nutrition is not only about what we eat, but also about how we feel. Food in combination with stress reduction techniques can help you achieve a more balanced mind and body.